Another great back exercise, specifically the lower back, is the lower back extension. Now, if you're in a gym, they're gonna have this machine. It is very common, very popular machine. It focuses solely on that lower back muscle. It's gonna isolate that very well. So perform this with care. So you can do this with weight, you can do this with just body weight, but the goal is to really get that mind-muscle connection on that lower back. So when you go all the way down, you're gonna come all the way back up and try to hold and really feel your glutes tighten, and you wanna feel your lower back contract as well. And that's gonna be a great way to work that lower back. So let's take a look at the lower back extensions. Some great tips for this exercise is gonna be really achieving that full range of motion, and that's where gonna be the growth is mainly located. And when you get to that top point of that contraction on your lower back, try to hold it for at least 1 to 3 seconds.